Imagine a future where humanity isn't confined to Earth, but thriving among the stars. What if our destiny involves permanent outposts on other worlds, and voyages to distant corners of the cosmos? That incredible future isn't science fiction, it's rapidly becoming our reality. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating future of space exploration, looking beyond mere rocket launches to the ambitious plans for colonization, commercialization, and the scientific breakthroughs that will redefine our place in the universe. Get ready for a journey that pushes the boundaries of human ingenuity. Our immediate future in space starts with a bold return to the moon, spearheaded by programs like NASA's Artemis. The goal isn't just to visit, but to establish a sustainable human presence with the Lunar Gateway and permanent bases, paving the way for our next giant leap, Mars. Imagine self-sufficient human settlements on the Red Planet, utilizing local resources and pushing the frontiers of human adaptability. Companies like SpaceX are already developing spacecraft, like Starship, designed specifically to transport hundreds of humans and tons of cargo for this very purpose. Beyond government-led missions, the private sector is rapidly reshaping space exploration. Commercialization is exploding, with companies like Blue Origin and Axiom Space joining SpaceX in a new space race. This isn't just about launching satellites, we're seeing the rise of space tourism, asteroid mining for precious metals, and in-orbit manufacturing facilities. This shift promises to democratize access to space, making it more affordable and innovative, and transforming the space economy into a multi-trillion-dollar industry. But our ambitions don't stop at Mars. The future holds the promise of true deep space exploration. Revolutionary propulsion systems, like nuclear thermal rockets, could drastically cut travel times to the outer solar system. We're building advanced observatories like the James Webb Space Telescope, actively searching for biosignatures on exoplanets, hunting for signs of alien life, and seeking answers to humanity's most profound questions. Our understanding of the cosmos is expanding daily, revealing an infinite frontier. The future of space exploration is a magnificent blend of audacious human spirit, groundbreaking technological innovation, and unprecedented global collaboration. It promises to unlock new resources, inspire scientific discovery, and potentially ensure humanity's long-term survival by making us a multi-planetary species. It's an era where the impossible is becoming inevitable. What aspect of the future of space exploration excites you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our universe.